All right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency. Things like mining the coin, staking the coin, using that credit card for BlockFi credit cards to get rewards back in Bitcoin, all kinds of good stuff. Well, today we're going to be talking about Apecoin. Yeah, this token has been up and back down and back up and back down. It's still up from when I started talking about them. But what's going on with the Ape token? We're going to go over to their website, go to their Twitter, read an article about them. Is it a good time to get into Apecoin, or is it maybe stay on the sidelines? I don't know. We're going to go over that. Also, we're going to be talking about Piston Token launching tomorrow. So Piston Token launching tomorrow. And we're going to be talking about TaskRabbit. If the gas prices and the food prices have got you down, maybe the Ubers and the DoorDashes are not for you, but possibly the TaskRabbit could be. We're going to go over that. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. Or go on this channel to help everybody learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, and one day even own some cryptocurrency. That's right. Piston Token, it could be a good race tomorrow. All right, let's head over to Apecoin. Over here at CoinMarketCap, Apecoin is still in the top 100 at number 45. I was impressed by that the first time I talked about it. It's down about 5%, but I was talking about it was $10. It's at $12.86, so it's still higher than when I was talking about it. But down in the last 7 days, down in the last 24 hours. Let's click it. All right, Apecoin over here to the right is down 5% today, down to $12.80. It's been a roller coaster going on, one of those roller coasters. All right, in the last 7 days, same kind of thing. It went as high as $15. It looks like in the last week, $15.35, down to $12.84. Again, I got in and it was around $10. Where was that $10 mark? I got in probably right around $10 here. So it's up from where I got in. But it is down in the last 7 days. Now let's check out the Apecoin. What's going on over here at the Twitter account? Apecoin is the ERC20 governance and utility token used to empower a decentralized community building at a forefront of Web3. So voting for Apecoin DAO is officially open. Go to, and they got a thing right here on the Twitter account, to view and vote on the first proposal for how the DAO should be governed. So go right here and check that out. So look at this. Bored Ape Julius is proud to announce the outreach is now accepting Ape donations. Donate Ape and 70 other cryptocurrencies today at right here, redapes.org crypto. Help the organics go wild. Crypto is the key to unlock the cages. Carrying with crypto. Now accepting Ape. Take a look at that. Liking that Ape right there. All right, big announcement right here. Apecoin. Ape is now available on Binance Pay. Great news. Apecoin is now available on Binance Pay. So take a look at that. Actually, that's where I got my Ape was at the Binance. So Apecoin you can buy on Binance, and you can also, right here, Apecoin is now available to use on Binance Pay. Over at the website here, it's just kind of like this coin going around and around and around. Talking about us. Apecoin is a Web3 economy. Culture has found new impressions in Web3 through art, gaming, and entertainment and events. The possibility for the blockchain impact on cultures are so endless that they can't possibly be all predicted yet. Ape is a token made to support the next, controlled and built by the community. Yeah, Ape is pretty awesome, everybody. It will serve as a decentralized protocol layer for community-led initiatives that drive cultures forward into the metaverse. Big thing too is the metaverse is tied into this. It says Apecoin drops 8% after the Bored Ape Yacht Club Discord suffers a phishing scam. Token behind the Bored Ape Yacht Club NFT collection has plunged overnight after the project's Discord channel suffered a phishing scam. Oh no. Apecoin governance token has been behind the Apecoin Yacht Club. NFT has plummeted over 8% in the past 24 hours. Ape has fallen roughly to $14 yesterday, down to $12.80. That's about where it's at right now. Let's see. $12.87, yep. According to the data on CoinMarketCap, airdrop to Bored Ape and Mutual Ape NFT holders on March 16. Ape will serve as a governance token for projects newly launched. Apecoin decentralized DAO token will allow holders to vote on the project's roadmap and upcoming proposals. Since the token launched, now here's the thing, this thing's been all over the board. Since the token has launched, Ape has been swinging from $39 to $1. It's finally found a nice little steady at 14 to 16, even though it's roughly at 12 right now. All right, Apecoin, all over the board. What's going on? Check it out. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. All right, crypto projects, we like to talk about them. Node projects, we talk about Drip Network, Splassive, talk about that. Well, Piston Token launches tomorrow. I tried to do the pre-sale 2 times. I was right there on the computer, and in the 1 minute, it was sold out. I didn't get it. But tomorrow on the Pancake Swap, it opens an hour earlier, so you can get your Piston tokens, and then the race begins. All right, let's go ahead and head over to Piston. Did a little deep dive a little bit. Launches tomorrow. A lot of people with the Drip Network, you know, they found out about it 4 months later, 6 months later. Drip's going to be having its 1 year anniversary coming up in April here. We're in April, later on in the month. And a lot of people say, God, they wish they would have got in right when it started. Well, this is the opportunity, everybody on the channel. Piston is starting tomorrow. So let's check it out. All right, here we go, Piston. Get ready, the race season. The race season is about to start. We will launch pre-sale claims, Piston contracts, Pancake Swap, exchange support, swap and race on April 3rd. Watch out for the speedometer and do not lose the rate. Do not lose the race start. Transparency, affordable network, deflation token, whale resistance, affordable network. All right, this starts here tomorrow. You can get it on Pancake Swap 1 hour earlier. You can buy and sell Piston on Pancake Swap starting on April 3rd, the same day we go live. Start your engines and get ready to race. The token race, Piston tokens, the Piston race. You need the tokens to be in the race. The token to run the ecosystem fully tradable and available for everyone. The Piston race, the ROI dashboard app for depositing your Piston tokens. Earn 1% daily, right there. Max payout is 365% of your deposit amount. Reinvest to maximize your APY. There's a 5% direct referral system. Withdrawal initial investment. All right, deposit fees. So it says 5% to the upline round robin and 5% to the contract balance. Claim fees, anytime you claim it, there's a 10% contract fee. So there's some tax going on in the system that kind of makes it run. So these things have already ended. The first thing they did right here, the pre-sale, boom, ended. They went around the track. Boom, this is the one I tried. 30 seconds, 45 seconds later, boom, sold out. This is the one I tried. I think this one was a minute because it was checking for bots, making sure bots weren't getting it. And then all of a sudden when it went back live, boom, 30 seconds later, sold out. All right, brings us to tomorrow, April 3rd, race, claim, swap. You can get involved in the race tomorrow. You can get your tokens tomorrow on Pancake Swap or Piston Token right here on the website. All right, checking the white pages real quick. You can click this. Pretty nice Piston Token white paper. Talks about the transparency, deflationary tokenomics, whale resistance, affordable network. So the basics. When a user deposits pistons to add fuel to their gas tank, they will receive 1% daily return for up to 365% of the amount in the tank. The amount is calculated including new tokens deposited as well as tokens compounding using Nitro button. Pretty cool. This sounds like a fun race. So how this is a race, kind of talks about that. So again, I'm not doing a whole 15-minute thing on this. I'm just scrubbing the surface here for a second. Can I exit the race in the first 7 days? If you put your money in and you're not happy, you can actually exit the race, which is good. It's got taxes of the programs, of the buy-sell taxes. Definitely check everything out. All right, I'll leave my link in the bottom if you do want to get involved in Piston. I'm going to do it tomorrow. Check it out. I like the Drip Network. I know Drip is down right now. I like the Splassive. Splassive is doing okay right now. So Piston, I don't know. Make sure, do all your own homework. Be willing to, whatever you invest, you could lose. So don't invest more than you can lose. Because again, crypto projects are up and down and sideways and right ways and left ways and all kinds of different things. All right, which brings us to, if crypto projects are, maybe you're already in so many or you don't want to put on the side and you don't want to do it. How about TaskRabbit? This could be like another DoorDash or another Uber. Let's go ahead and check this out. TaskRabbit. All right here at their website, TaskRabbit. Your house deserves better. So popular projects in your area. So then again, if you're the person that's actually doing the project, look what it says. Assemble a table desk. Get paid $52 to $125. Mount a TV or mirror. $57 to $114. Move boxes via a truck. $59 to $136. Pretty nice. Clean bathrooms and kitchens. $63 to $150. Now this one, it's kind of like an aromatherapy. I mean, I think people would do it and not even get paid. But plant flowers. Yeah, plant the flowers. Average project pays 56 to 143. Lift furniture upstairs. That's 148 to 10. I mean $48 to 102. Office and slash home deliveries. Right here in the middle of the page is $22 to $60. Fix a running toilet, $60 to $130. So over here to the right here, Joanne's been a tasker since 2015. Says everyday life made easy. When life gets busy, you don't have to tackle it alone. Get time back for what you love to do without breaking the bank. Choose your tasker by reviews, skills, and prices. Schedule what works for you as early as today. Chat, pay, tip, and review all on one platform, TaskRabbit today. So here's some featured taskers. I just think this is pretty big here. Right here on the end, Jeffrey, he helps people move. He averages $41 an hour. People move. Here, his home repairs, he averages $37 an hour. And furniture assembly, he's averaging about $35. Move it over here to the middle. Gentleman helps people shop. His shopping, he's averaging about $29 an hour. His delivery, he's averaging about $30 an hour. And then moving, like with the trucks and the boxes, he's averaging $65 an hour. It says, I'm the right person for the job. Anything you need purchase, I can do for you. Live in Midtown, know the city pretty well, and I am ready to do it. All right, last person, Andrew. He does 3 different things. Deliveries, he averages $41 an hour. Help moving is a big one. Look, $82 an hour. Home repairs is $70 an hour. I am the right person. Have anything delivered that will fit in a pickup truck. All right, so a little bit of TaskRabbit. And this is, again, if you're hiring the TaskRabbit, a go-to team at your fingertips. Build your team a local background check. Taskers to help with you and all kinds of different things. So think this is kind of big. Again, the story that I read, a college guy was actually doing TaskRabbit on the side. He was making $130 a day, 2 or 3 days a week, because he had college. He graduated from college, and before he got into anything, he was already in he was hanging TVs and mounts, the different picture frames and stuff like that. And he went full time. He started making 10 to 14 grand a month. All right, all my information is for educational purposes only. That's what the article said. But the thing is TaskRabbit could be another Uber or DoorDash for you. Start off part-time, do 1 or 2 tasks. That gentleman took it from part-time in college to a full-time thing. All right. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. All right, let's head back on over to Apecoin. So yeah, Apecoin has been swinging anywhere from $39 to $1, It's kind of reached its middle point of $14 to $16. Right now, it's actually around $12. This says, stay safe, do not mint anything from our Discord right now. A webhook in our Discord was briefly compromised. Caught it immediately, but please know we are not doing any April Fools, stealth mints, airdrops, etc. Other Discords are being attacked right now also. So keep an eye on everything for the Apecoin right here. Their Apecoin drops 8% as their Discord suffers a phishing scam. Again, looking at the coin, you gotta like it. There's that monkey skull. And what's our price prediction? Well, again, I got in when it was like $10. Still higher than when I got in. I know this coin's been going up and everything. Here's my price prediction. Keep an eye on it. It's at $12.90. It's been going all the way up to $47, all the way down to $1. It said it kind of settled at 14 to 16. A little bit cheaper right now, less expensive. Do your homework. It could go back up to 14 or 15. All right, everybody. The thing I'm still impressed by, Apecoin, number 45 on CoinMarketCap, being traded at $12.86. AAVE, look at this, 45% up. Crazy stuff. Thorchain, Rune is up 18%. Awesome stuff there. Let's shoot all the way up to the top 5. Top 5, BNB's up 7%, Ethereum's up 11%, and Bitcoin, the granddaddy of them all, is up almost 5%. Piston Token's coming to you tomorrow. Jump in. Everybody wanted to get in the drip when it started. A lot of people got in a splash right when it started. Piston Token is starting tomorrow. Make sure you check it out. Do all your own homework. All information for educational purposes only. Also, Apecoin going up, going down, going up, going down. Do you like it? Do you not like it? It's still in the top 100 of CoinMarketCap. I think I like this coin still. A lot of people are into this coin, but give us your opinions in the bottom. Do your own homework. And then last but not least, the TaskRabbit could be something you can do on the side, 1 or 2 gigs a week or a month to make a little bit of side hustle money. Help out with those gas prices and the food prices. All right. Don't forget to click right here to see our most recent video. And click over here to learn about Splassive. Get 2% a day. Hey, everybody, thanks for tuning in and have a wonderful day on Saturday.